I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the hole and the metal around it. You need to know if this is surface rust or structural damage. Once done, remove loose paint and corrosion with a grinder until solid metal appears, and mark cut lines if you'll patch with new metal. Make sure to clear the work area and lay down a drop cloth. Use a drill to make starter holes if you'll cut a patch outline, and double-check your chosen repair method, weld or bonding epoxy, before continuing. Now you move into fitting the patch. Square the hole or make a neat oval so the new piece seats well. Once the opening is prepared, cut a patch from sheet metal with an intentional 0.5 1-inch overlap. File edges smooth to avoid gaps. Position and clamp the patch. Tack weld in a few spots to hold it straight, or if using epoxy, roughen both surfaces and apply adhesive per manufacturer instructions. After initial securing, complete welds or press firmly while adhesive cures. Clean slag or excess. Finish the repair by grinding welds flush and sanding until the transition is smooth. You want paint to sit evenly. Once clean, apply rust inhibitor, then a primer and top coat to match the door frame. Make sure each coat dries fully. For gaps or leaks, inspect seams. If epoxy failed, rebond or re-weld those spots. If paint bubbles, strip and redo primer. If alignment is off, loosen clamps and reseat the patch before final fastening. One key tip: stop and reassess if you see persistent movement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.